Hello everyone, my name is Samrat Kumar Mali. My roll number is 4105. My URN is 2103111. So today my topic presentation point is authentication application Kerberos and X.509. So in this presentation we will explore two robust authentication protocols Kerberos and X.509. We will dive into their key concepts, applications, and how they contribute to secure access controls. We will also explore how they compare and how a hybrid approach might offer the best of both worlds. So let's understand overview of the authentication protocols. So first is authentication basics. So authentication basics in authenticating basis, authentication verifies the identity of a user or system, ensure they are who they claim to be. This is fundamental security principle. Then the second is key requirements. Reliable authentication method must be secure, efficient, and scalable to accommodate larger user populations and evolving security needs. Protocol types. Let's understand the protocol types. Several authentication protocols exist, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Kerberos and X.509 are two commonly used protocols for the authentication services. So Kerberos authentication key concept of and components. So first one is key distribution centers (KDC), the central authority that manages and distributes encryption keys. The second is ticket granting (TGT), credential issue to user after successful authentication with KDC. Service ticket, a credential used by user to access specific secret key in the network. So okay, about the authentication processes. So first one is the initial authentication. That includes a user request TGT from the KDC. And second is ticket granting. In ticket granting, the KDC verifies the user credential and issues a TGT. In service access, the user present the TGT to service to request accesses. Service authentication. In service authentication, the service request to service ticket from the KDC using TGT. So X.509 digital certificates, structure and hierarchy. So there are three hierarchy there are three steps. So first one is certificate authentication, that is CA, the root of the hierarchy that issues certificates. Then intermediate CS, that is issue certificate to specific entity like individual and organization. And entity hold a certificate that represent their digital identity in the network. Then next is X.05 authentication services enrollment and validation. So there are three steps. The first one is the enrollment. User requests a certificate from CA providing necessary identity information. Then verification. CA verifies the user identity and issue a digital certificate. Then validation. User and services can validate a certificate and their integrate using CA's public keys. The comparison of Kerberos and X.509 authentication. So Kerberos in Kerberos, strong security within a closed network, ideal for signing single sign-on scenarios. So whereas in X.509, it is flexible for more for cross-network authentication, enables user authentication for various services. So hybrid authentication approaches. So first one is flexibility. Combine the strength and of the both Kerberos and X.509, and second is the enhanced security. Leverages and advantages of each protocol and authentication. So some conclusion and key takeaways. Kerberos and X.509 are powerful authentication protocols which have distinct advantages. Their strengths and can be combined to enhance security and flexibility. Understanding this protocol is crucial for building secure and robust authentication system. So what are these are the key takeaways from this presentation.